Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these awesome stickers here. So these are some fall stickers that will be perfect for the end of October all the way through November. So I'm going to show you guys how to cut them all the way through here on some sticker paper, as well as doing a kiss cut and making a sticker sheet like this. So you'll be able to simply just peel it off like so. So let's go ahead and get started. Over here on designbundles.net, this is the file that I'm going to be showing you today. There is a ton of stickers to choose from. This one is one of my favorites right now, so I thought I would show you. It'd be perfect for the end of October and heading off into November. So this will be perfect for your planners. It will be perfect for, like I said, packaging or anything like that if you have an Etsy. I just love these. They're really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to bring these over in Cricut Design Space and do a print and cut. I'm going to show you how to do a kiss cut as well as cutting these all the way through. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, now that we've uploaded these to Cricut Design Space, I've brought them all in. So these stickers right here were individual and I just brought them all in over here. One thing to note, some files come in really large. So when people make these files, they like to save them really big because I do the same. It really keeps them looking nice and crisp. So when you get frustrated and you think, why is this image so big? It's totally worth it. So all you simply have to do is, what I do is I hit select all, and then I simply come up here and I change the size. So I know that I want them all to be about 2 inches high. So I'll do that. And then I can go from there. So I've got them all down. And now I can just go through here, double check. Like this one, I need to go back, add it to 2 inches. Scoot that over. Click the next one. Click the height, 2 inches. And so on and so forth. All right, so now that I've got all of these sizes down to the 2 inches, the next thing I'm going to do is figure out how many I can get per page. So for example, let me show you really quick. I'm going to make this one big just so I can show you how can you get that exact size to know how big your sticker sheet will be for the print and cut. So all you have to do is, when this first comes in, you'll see it, but I forgot to show you guys. So I'm going to go over here and I'll change this to 10 high. And immediately we're going to get this little, warning over here. So if you click on it, it's going to tell you your image is too big and you need to stay within 6.75 by 9.25. So this is what I do. I come right over here to shapes. I'm going to get a square. And I'm going to come over here and unlock this, 7.5 by 9.25. And then just like that, come down here and lock that back. So this is going to be our template through this process so we can fit as many as we can on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize this again to 2 inches. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on our background here and I'm going to arrange it to the back. So that way each of these will just come right on top. And you guys can see now that they're off that, you can see that outline there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to strategically, if you will, kind of place these on here so that way I can get the best fit possible. You can either get them, so that way if you want your sticker sheet to look a certain way, you can sit here and strategically do that, and then I can sit here and select them and hit attach so they all cut in the same spot. Or I can let Cricut decide that for me. So what we're going to do is right now I'm just figuring out about how many I can possibly fit on here. Just like that. And then I'm going to start duplicating these things so that way I can have 2 of each. Right, and I can fit 2 more. So I'm going to go ahead and just add a couple more in here. Just like so. So now what I can do is click on this and just hide it. So that if I want to use it later, and I'm going to hit make it. And there you go. So you can kind of look around on this. I filled this as much as I could. If you wanted to, you can move these around even over here if you wanted to kind of switch it around to make your sticker sheets look more uniform. Or like I said, you could have done that over there. So the next step is you can either cut these all the way through and have them as one whole sticker where you peel off the back, or you could do a kiss cut to where they're going to stay on this sheet and you can simply peel them off. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit continue. And the first thing we're going to do is hit send to printer. So what I'm going to do is I'm using my HP DeskJet, and then I'm going to leave my add bleed and hit print. To cut these all the way through, I'm simply just going to set the dial to cardstock on my Cricut Explore Air 2. And then to do the kiss cut where they're going to stay on the sheet, I'm going to simply change my dial to the custom dial. And now you can see that it's going to pop up like this. I can hit browse all material, and then I can start to type in sticky. And I'm going to choose sticky note. This will give the perfect kiss cut for any sticker paper. And then I'm going to hit go. So I've got my sticker paper loaded, and as you can see, it's just simply going to go all the way around, leaving that little bit of a white border. So I'm going to go ahead and let this get it cut out first, and I'll meet you back over in the craft room and show you what we got. How adorable are these stickers? So as you can see, this is just a kiss cut, so they just simply pop right off. And then for this one here, you can see we're going to pull that whole outside, and these are individual stickers. The easiest way to get these off your mat is simply just bend it over like this and just peel them off one at a time. This will help to prevent them from curling. So I'm just going to quickly peel all of these off, and I love these, especially for my Etsy. I like to throw them in the bag. You can stick them on the outside of the bag. You could stick these on your tumbler cups. They are a ton of fun, and these ones are super cute. So they just simply peel off just like that. So just another great way to make stickers. Tons of different options here. Now on the other sticker sheet, I wanted to show you guys really quickly to take your paper trimmer and trim all the way around, especially if you're going to sell these on Etsy, or if you're going to store them. They just kind of look a lot better, and just trim away all the way around, and you will have a nice sticker sheet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.